Cooking power. Up to 10,000 total BTUs. Pressure regulator. Pressure control for consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. PERFECTHEAT design. More efficient cooking with less fuel. One adjustable burner. For precise temperature control, fits an 8-inch pan. Wind baffles. Shield burner from wind for maximum heat. Space saver. Burner and base separate from propane bottle for compact storage. Runtime. Up to 2.5 hours on high on one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately. 3-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and stable. I got this in a pinch for camping with the kids. Use a heavy pan, not a cheap lightweight one. I used a stainless pan, but a skillet would probably be even better. It takes a little practice to get the heat just right, but I was able to whip together a pound of bacon, hash browns, eggs and pancakes at the picnic table before the wife and kids dragged themselves out of the tent. This is probably one of the best space-saving camping tools. Even if you need 2 burners, 2 of these are cheaper, easier and more compact than almost any worthwhile camp stove.